Hi, I'm Fernando. Many people ask me, how do I do my videos? What programs do I use to edit and to create my thumbnails? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my video editing process, what apps I use to edit videos, to create my thumbnails, and how my process is to record and upload all these videos every single day. Stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Hi, welcome back. So I'm going to share with you the apps that I use, and I'm going to do a quick video right here while I record this. So it's going to be a little bit interactive. I'm going to switch back and forth on my editing app, and you'll see the final product. So what I use for editing, I'm using my phone for everything. So I have an app for editing the programs. I have an app for modifying the images, and then I have another app for creating thumbnails. So let me jump in, and I'm going to show you what apps I use. Okay, so these are the apps that I use for my videos. I use Photo Director for editing pictures, and that's by Cyberlink, and that's a free app. And I use Power Director also by Cyberlink, and that is also a free app, but the free app has a watermark on the video, so I decided to purchase it, and it's about less than $40 a year. It's a subscription. So that's what I use for editing, and then I use Canva to create my thumbnails. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open up Power Director and let that load up, and I'm going to show you how I create a quick video. So basically I click on a new project, and I enter a project name. Let's call it demo. And you have aspect ratio. You can have 9 by 16 or 16 by 9. 9 by 16 will be good for like Instagram videos. So let me just leave it 16 by 9. And I'm just going to do this quickly. I'm not going to get into all the details. So I'm just going to zoom through, but you'll see how quick I can create a video. So basically I'm going to start by just getting my clips, right? Okay, so this was the initial clip that I recorded before. I'm going to just go ahead and play it. And this is the part where I say hi, welcome, what I'm going to talk about. Okay, so I'm just going to take that clip. I'm going to add it to my timeline. And that gets added there. And then when I walk through it, I find okay, so I removed my microphone in order to record also the sound from the video, so my sound is not going to be as good without a microphone. So let's see how this sounds. Okay, so you can hear it. Hi, I'm Fernando. Many people ask me, how do I do my... Okay, so at the beginning, there's some space there. Let's stop it right here. Right there. Try it again. Hi. Right there. My mouth is closed. Click on there. I cut it. So then I take the first part, I delete it. And that's the beginning now. Hi, I'm Fernando. Many people ask me, how do I do my videos? What programs do I use to edit and to create my thumbnails? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my video editing process, what apps I use to edit videos, to create my thumbnails, and how my process is to record and upload all these videos every single day. Stay tuned. Okay, so I stop it there. I press here. I press on the cut tool. So I cut it there. So now I cut that part. So now what I do is I add my intro. So that I look up my intro, and that will be this one here. Okay, and now I go back. So then see how it looks. Or what apps I use. So then when my intro, then I add the next part of the video. So the next part of the video, I don't really have a next part. It will be what I'm recording right now, right? So let's say I have another part of the video And let me just take a random. Actually, this was another one that I was just recording, so I don't remember what this is. Hi, I'm Fernando. In this video, I'm going to share with... Hi, I'm Fernando. Many people ask me, what do I do for editing? How do I do my videos? So in this video, you can see, there's a lot of trials, a lot of bloopers, and, you try to just cut and take the pieces that you want, and eventually you'll see the final video. So this is the idea. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. So you're basically taking the video, adding clips. Recently, what I started doing, you can have layers with this program. So if I go ahead and click over here, and I add an image, I have a layer here which has like a watermark with my name, so that could show up at the bottom here. It's just my name, and click on edit here, make it a little bit transparent, about 50%. 39%, that's fine. And then I'll put it to the whole duration, so it shows through the whole video. What I've been doing is I put it on after the intro. So where is the intro? Oh shit, actually it's over here. I'm just dragging it. Right here, okay, and then I just put it there. So that's how this is how it shows up. That's the watermark. Hi, I'm Fernando. In this video, I'm going to share with... Hi, I'm Fernando. Many people ask me, what do I do? I have the capability to add some animations here, like if I do a sticker, is like a like sticker. There's a couple of animations there, or this one here. So like at the end, I'm saying like this video, share this video, edit my videos, how I record my videos, and what applications I use for editing and creating my thumbnails. Stay tuned and tell me what you think. Okay. So another neat function that this program has is I can do like a picture-in-picture. So I can put videos inside videos. So let's say, for example, I have some funny videos here. Let's say this video here. Okay, so I added another video here. So that's a video of me walking. I was using for another video, and I can put it there. And so if you want to play it, you see. And tell me what you think. Video kind of picture-in-picture. You can be creative with that. You can actually, if you have another person, you can have, this is very powerful. I mean, you can have like a split screen and have two videos play. So this application has a lot of functions, a lot of features. It's powerful. It's I use it on my phone, and the videos that I'm doing, they're not complicated. So it's basically, I record myself, I add the intro, and I have capability to add layers. I have 2 layers. I can have another track for music, so I can have a background music. I can add my text, my titles. So that's how I create my videos. So then when I'm done with and I like the final product, I export it. So it produces, so I click on produce video, and this gives me several options of how to save the video, export it basically. Save it to my gallery, share it to Facebook, YouTube, and other options. So that's basically it. Once I have the video, I can upload it to YouTube, and then my next step is what I do is I create the thumbnail. So for that, I go into Canva. Actually, before going into Canva, I try to take a picture that I can use, and that I can use in my thumbnail. So if I'm on the video, let me just go back to the video, to my initial video, and let's say, you know, either I stage the picture, or I just screen capture it from the video itself. So let's say I do this, I take a screenshot of this. Okay, I just took a screenshot, and let's say I'm going to use this video for my thumbnail. So I close this out, I go back to Canva, I go into Canva, and Canva it's very simple here in Canva. Canva has many templates that you can use. So let's say so I'm going to go scroll down to thumbnail, to YouTube thumbnail, okay? See all. And it has many templates I can choose. Or I can just, you know, start with a blank one. Let's say I choose this one. So that's the template. And basically you can modify it. So I'm going to modify the back and choose a picture. Okay. So that's the picture, the screenshot that I just took. And then I click on here and I change the text. You know, whatever you want to do. You know, on phone, whatever. I can just do like this. I'll just keep it like that, just to. So let's say, you know, my thumbnail basically, and that's basically it. That creates a thumbnail. I share it. I click on share, and that saves it. Now, one thing that I found is that this saves it as a PNG. That's the extension. And I found, I'm not sure if that's 100%, but I found that if the thumbnail, the YouTube thumbnail is a PNG, when I share it to Facebook, Facebook doesn't show the thumbnail for some reason. So I found a workaround, and the workaround is to save it as a JPEG. So for that, I go ahead and open it up in Photo Director. So I open up Photo Director, and I just open the file and save it, and it saves it as JPEG. So I click on edit. I use the JPEG version for my thumbnails. So I just open the file in Photo Director, and I don't really do anything right now. I just want to save it, and it saves it by default as a JPEG. And that's it. If I want to make changes to it, I'll make changes to it in Photo Director. So it saves it as a JPEG, and that's my thumbnail for YouTube. Then I go back and I make a thumbnail for Instagram. And that's all the way at the beginning. Again, very similar. It already has the format, the size. So I can start with the blank, or I can have a template. So if I have you know, I can start like this, and you know, I just start adding text and adding everything, you know, whatever that I want. Start typing. How to edit videos, and try to make it okay. And this is what I do. I can change the font. Okay, let's say that font. So one thing that I do is that's black. I can create a copy, and then the copy, I change the color to white. So then I create like a shadow effect. Okay, I have a typo there. Edit I, and the black is also, I have to change it. Okay. So that's it. That's an example of a thumbnail for Instagram. I click on share, it saves it. If I'm ready to post on Instagram, I can go ahead and just use it right there, and just post it to Instagram. And I have, you know, what I typically do once I have the video, what I do is I upload it to YouTube, right? I'm not gonna go ahead and post this on Instagram, but the video, once I have the video, I upload it to YouTube, and then once it's in YouTube, I type in the description. I use my app, my YouTube app. This uploads it to YouTube, and let's say For example, let's say this is my, well, I didn't want to click on edit. Once you upload it, I type in the description and some tags, and I upload it. Now, one thing about YouTube, the YouTube app is that the YouTube app doesn't allow you to upload a custom thumbnail. So all my videos have custom thumbnails, which is the image that I created, basically, right? So in order to do that, you have to actually go into the YouTube on a desktop on your computer, or you open the YouTube app on desktop mode on your phone, and basically upload the custom thumbnail from there, because the app doesn't allow you to do that. So that's one workaround to that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, once I have it on YouTube, then it's about sharing it. And to share it, you know, there's other sites that you can schedule the posts. There's an app called Buffer that I'm using to schedule posts on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And you know, that's another app that I use, but that's for another video to talk about. So I hope you enjoy the video, and it helps you, you know, get an idea if you want to do it on your phone. These are the tools that I use, and I'll put put it on the description, the name, and some links as well to get them. All right, thank you very much. If you enjoy this video, please like it, subscribe, and click on the notification icon, and we'll stay in touch and be alerted when I record my next video. So right now I'm recording my camera, recording as a selfie. So by the way, the app that I'm using to record my screen is called AirDroid. So again, those are a lot of tools in your toolbox in order to do all these things and be productive. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye.